your mark.
Go, Bruce!
This is heat 2 of A for event 21.7 and over 100-meter butterfly. On lane 1, Calusing Arnold Rogelio, Baguio Mako Shark. Lane 2, Salvador Jose Eduardo, Subic Bay Dolphins. Lane 3, Gismundo Gabriel Angelo. Lane 4, Batingan Latrell Andrews, San Jose Splashers. Lane 5, David Aaron Cruz, Subic Bay Dolphins. Lane 7, Ikarangal Amber, Torpedo Ray. Lane 8, Natividad Ken Lexer from